In this video, I'll be sharing with you 6 new apps that you can start using that will pay you on a daily basis. Now, these are not a regular kind of app that will require you to invest some money before you can start earning. All right, it is an app that thousands of people has benefited from. Now, I don't intend to make this video anyway long. It's going to be short and very straightforward. I can tell you that using this app can be a side hustle for you that will make you some extra income on the side, and it works worldwide. So follow me closely to the end of this video to see the one that best suits you. If you're just seeing me, my name is Chidi, and on this channel, I talk all things money. So do join our community by subscribing to this channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also ring your notification bell so YouTube notifies you whenever I upload beautiful content like the one you're about to watch right now. The first app on my list is called Rewardy. This website is going to pay you money in cryptocurrency, PayPal, or gift card. It is completely free to sign up on this platform. What you're expected to do on this platform is to do those things you already do on a regular basis without getting paid. Things like listening to music, playing games, watching streams, and taking survey. Now, this website will reward you with points which you're going to exchange for cash and withdraw through your preferred payments method. Their payment is fast and withdrawal starts from $2. App number 2 is cashstars.com. On this website, you'll be able to make money watching YouTube videos. You can also get paid to search Google and complete several offers. You can also sign up on this platform with your name and email address to join their waitlist because there are several people waiting to join this platform. The third on my list is repocket.com. This app is going to pay you for unused data on your phone. So how does it work? First, you sign up on this platform after you have installed it on your device, and you just allow it to run on the background of your device to use your unused data. You don't need to worry because this app will not access your privacy. It's just going to use your unused data and reward you. You can see that if you have 2 devices sharing up to 2 gig per day, you can make $24 per month. This can be considered as a side income. Volutic is another app that will pay you for reading emails. You just have to sign up for free. You don't have to pay a dime. You'll be asked to provide your email address, but I'll advise you shouldn't use your real email address. Try to create a new one for this, okay? So you wouldn't get spam. And also note that companies will be sending emails, a lot of emails to this website for people to read. And these emails comes with ad. And in this ad are links that will track to know if you actually read those email, right? And once they confirm that you've read the email, they will pay Volutic the money, and Volutic will now share the revenue with you. On this website, you can withdraw as low as 0.2 cents. No experience needed for you to earn from this website. All that is needed of you is to know how to read. Another website is called Contiply. Contiply is for crypto lovers. This app will give you free cryptocurrency just to complete different offers like watching videos, shopping online, and they will reward you with free cryptocurrencies. So if you're looking to diversify your earnings to earn in different currency, Contiply is available for you. The sixth on my list is brandedsurvey.com. And this website will pay you to complete surveys online. As you can see here, they show you how to earn fast reward. You will be rewarded with points upon completing a survey, and this point will be redeemed and deposited into your PayPal or bank accounts. And also, if you prefer converting those points for gift cards, you can do so by using any popular stores around the country. You can also join Branded Survey and earn rewards by signing up here. This is it, guys. Try out any of those apps or websites I mentioned here. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Until my next one, have a great time.